Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to post a live photo on Instagram story. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to capture the specific motion picture, okay, or a live photo. So if you're using Samsung, okay, you can just easily enable live photo right here at the top, or motion photo. Just make sure that you are under 12 megapixels, as it will not work over 12 megapixels, for example, 50. Now for your iOS devices, well, it's just automatic. Okay. So as you can see here, I have mine already taken. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up Instagram. Now tap on the plus sign right here to add your story at the top left. Now go ahead and select the live photo. Okay. In your iOS, you'll be able to see a loop icon or a boomerang icon. Well, that means that it is a live photo. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then once done, go ahead and tap on the boomerang icon, okay, at the top. It says here processing, just wait for it. And as you can see here, it's done. You can go ahead and adjust the timing right here. Maybe this one or this one. All right, and once that's done, just hit on the done button. And after that, tap on your story, add in a caption if you want to, edit it to more, okay? Tap on your story and just wait for it. There you go. Once that's done, well, you're good to go. That is how you post a live photo on Instagram story. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.